Tonight we are starting off with a fall DIY wreath, and we're gonna tell you what you need to get and how to make it, and then you'll be able to see us do it, which we're excited to do. So first of all, I got everything here from the dollar store. Literally, I spent $15 on all of this stuff. So it's a really inexpensive, fun little activity you can do with your kids. So definitely I recommend doing it. In Dollar Tree, I bought these 3 bamboo wreaths, and then I brought some decorative mesh. I bought 2. You can see the fall colors. I also bought a bunch of fall colored flowers. So you get like each of these little bunch are $1 each. I picked up these headbands, and we're not really gonna wear them. I figured we could pull them off if we want for extra decoration. They're like in the Halloween section to wrap around our wreaths. And then all you need is scissors. That's it.
Be careful. So I just added a flower right there.
Riley's showing out. Me and Kenzie struggling. Okay, so make sure you have a wire cutter.
Yeah, they say you had a wire. They said you have to have a wire cutter. So guys, right now I'm just gonna stick the leash, these tiny little things around.
Guys, look, mine has flowers and it has bows. These are 2 bows and some flowers next to them.
They're crazy. But mine looks super pretty.
Look at mine.
Kizzy's don't look super pretty. All of ours look super pretty. Or that should go on your room door. That should go on your room door.
What do you guys think?
That is beautiful. This is my wreath. Totally just me, not no expert, not my mama helping me. It's Riley. So here I have a ribbon just wrapped around beautifully, nice. It feels so warm and warm. And then after we have our 2 little beads, fruits, whatever. And after we got carefully picked flowers just on the side of it, totally not fake, real.
This is mine. I honestly think that it's not bad, but I just feel like I could have placed and sticked way better, but I couldn't cut these things. So please, please, please have a wire cutter. For my first time,
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Okay, so there's mine. And Kenzie,
Last but not least.
What is yours? Let's
It's
see.
wrong. It's flipped over wrong. Oh no.
Go, Kenzie.
So first things first, when you go see, you see the orange ribbons, which is their tie. When you come up, you see the cute little flowers. You go straight up, you see the cute little balls. You see the ribbons wrapped around like this circle thing, and a big bow right here.
So
Look at that picture.
comment below
Who won
if you
best?
like Riley's
Number 1.
first. No, just comment Riley's was the cutest, Mommy's was the cutest,
Daily Mom.
or Mackenzie's was the cutest. We want to see, so comment down below and tell us which one you guys like. Okay, we hope you enjoy it. We hope you make this with your kids. This is a cute little fall activity to do, and these are like the mini small size, so you can put them on your kids' door. So like we're gonna put one on the front door, one's gonna go on the kids' room door, one's gonna go like by the garage door, and one's gonna go on the thing. So it's kind of
That's along
cool,
your room.
so everyone could display theirs. We hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.